Today we will learn properties of natural resources. In that we will learn properties of water. There are three states of water: solid, liquid, gas. Water occur in liquid state under ordinary condition. Water is a fluid substance. Water does not have its own shape but has a volume. It can pass through small holes or seep through very small gaps or cracks. Take a plastic bottle more than half full of water. Mark the water level on the bottle. Keep this bottle upright in the freezer for making ice. Open the freezer after a couple of hours and observe. You will see that the water has changed into ice and the ice level is higher than the water level before freezing. As water freezes to form ice, it expands and its volume increases. Take some water in a glass and add a few pieces of ice to it. Observe what happened. You will see the ice floats on water. Ice is lighter than water. When water freezes to form ice, it becomes lighter than the original liquid. When water freezes, that is when it transforms into the solid state. Its volume increases. Therefore, the density of ice is less than that of water. That is why the ice floats on water. The interrelation between the volume and mass of a substance, the space occupied by a substance, is its volume. The store of matter in a substance is its mass. Density is equal to mass upon volume. Mass is measured in grams and volume in cubic centimeters. Hence, density is equal to gram upon cubic centimeters. Anomalous behavior of water. Usually, when the temperature of a substance is lowered, its density increases as the volume decreases. But water is an exception to this rule. The density of water is peculiar. When water at normal temperature starts cooling, its density increases like that of most liquids. However, if its temperature falls below 4 degrees Celsius, its density starts decreasing. This means that the density of water is maximum at 4 degrees Celsius. If the temperature of water is lowered below 4 degrees Celsius, its density decreases and volume increases. It means that water expands when the temperature falls below 4 degrees Celsius. This is called the anomalous behavior of water. Take 2 big glasses of water, add 4 to 5 spoonfuls of salt to the water in one glass and dissolve it completely. Now place a potato in the water in the second glass. The potato will sink. Take out the potato from that glass and put it in the salt water and observe. The density of water in that glass is greater due to the dissolved salt. The potato floats in that water because of the increased density. That is why it is easier to swim in the sea than in a lake. When the salt dissolves in water, its particles spread in water slowly. They become smaller and smaller. Ultimately, they become so small that they cannot be seen. That is, they mix completely with water. This is what is called dissolving. Solute. The substance that is dissolved is known as solute. solvent. The substance in which the solute dissolves is known as solvent. Solution. When the solute dissolves in the solvent, it is known as solution. Uses of water according to its properties. Water is useful for water transport due to its fluidity. Water falling down from a height is used to generate electricity with the help of a generator. Water is a good coolant and is used in motor vehicles to control the temperature of the engine. Many substances are soluble in water. That is why water is a universal solvent. Water is used as a solvent in factories, laboratories, foodstuffs, and in various types of biological processes occurring in the body such as digestion, excretion, etc. Water is useful for cleaning process such as for bathing and washing clothes.